Okay, landing pages and funnels. And very honestly, this is probably my favorite of all types of optimizations. And I think it's, as I said, never going to become more important with what's going on with the algorithm updates and the persona marketing and having to have different experiences for different people. This is one that you need to be doing. Okay. We as an agency are constantly working out how we can deliver pages more efficiently and quicker for our brands, because now brands are demanding not just one page per month, but 5 to 10 pages. And that's what we're doing as a service now, because it's working and it's helping scale those brands. So this is something that you don't ignore. This is something that your ads will thank you for. And this is going to be the future of post-click experience, is optimizing pages for specific personas. Now, they don't need to look dramatically different, but the message match and the congruency from the ads to the landing page is crucial. Okay, so sequencing matters more than ever on individual pages. Message match, as I said. Pre-sales are a huge unlock for paid media, and I don't know why more brands aren't using pre-sales. And like I say, optimizing in isolation actually limits your growth. So let's have a look at some tests. This was a highly targeted listicle that we did for, again, this is a Boom by Cindy Joseph, Ezra's brand that we work for. And we did, again, a lot of data analysis around the kind of 5 reasons people used Boom. We also did user interviews to find out the specific demographic. And this is, again, what you'll need to start doing for your brands. And you'll need to start having multiple pages. Okay. You need to, if you don't have multiple, if you're doing listicles and advertorials and you don't have multiple versions of them that target specific personas, then you need to be. This is the new way of doing things. Okay. So even though Boom is a pro age makeup brand, they're going to have to, and we're going to have to start to doing all different types of persona matched pages. Now, they don't have to look completely different. The pictures of the people on the page need to be different. Some of the terminology needs to be different. The headline needs to message match with your UGC content or whatever content you're putting out. Okay. But listicles and advertorials and pre-sales 1000% work. This was, again, all about putting the irresistible offer in that side column above the fold on desktop and having it pinned, scrolling on mobile, having the 5 tips that really resonated with pro age people and their specific demographic, and then making sure the page was highly optimized. This was a brand-led advertorial redesign. So this is one of our clients, Reactive Outdoor. They sell amazing outdoor products. And this was a really cool winning test, 10%, well, nearly 11% profit per visitor from re-optimizing their existing advertorial that we built. So again, another point to be saying, you should always be testing. Okay. We built the original, it got great results. They were happy, but we challenged ourselves again to focus more on the brand-led advertorial. You can see above the fold, completely different design, leaned into the brand way more and the trust element. And it paid off, 10%, nearly 11% increase. So a really nice advertorial redesign, again, based on that kind of persona matching of this is now what their new persona wants on paid media. Quiz funnels. So really, really powerful. This was for the Essence Vault. We introduced a modal pop-out that came up on the PDP after a specific amount of time. And it also was just below the fold on the buy box. With this whole thing around can't decide, why not take a quiz? If you are a brand that has multiple outcomes, so you have multiple SKUs where people do get that decision paralysis, like, for example, the Essence Vault that sell fragrances and scents. This works very, very well for consumables, for health products, for makeup and beauty. This works incredibly well. Having a personalized quiz funnel, even from your paid marketing, is super, super valuable. So taking people through a if conditional quiz that gives them different answers based on their input, but makes it feel like they're having that personalized one-to-one shopping experience can really, really work for you. And the conversion rates we've seen through quiz funnels are huge. And again, here, this one, 32% of people would have left this page if they didn't see this.